Yo, like, where go on them, man? Where you come from?
There, man. I come in, man. But you know, sometimes I prefer walking in the bush, man. Because you walk from road and you have people in too much contention sometimes, man. Out of shop them I come from, you know. And last week, me and them buck up out there with the same thing, and this week I same nonsense. Them approach Lion with, you know.
Where
Why
am I going with?
come look for me and ask me about which party me belong to, which party. You tell me, this look like orange to you? This shot look like orange to you?
Look like close to his speech, actually.
Right? You might tell me say orange, meaner, and green so that they can identify me with me not in a party. Because party business mean it a party, it not together. So me not in a party and me not in a politics.
I know that it mean,
with
man,
them.
a politics you talk about, man.
Well, me not in a politics, because ticks are insect.
But
Then
you have to vote for somebody, so
then
you don't
they
want,
suck people
you
blood.
don't want to vote for your prime minister.
You know? Boy, come and introduce me to man out there. I introduce me to man. When me say, tell the man say a Lion my name, man I come look for me say, his name is a Crooks. Me tell them piece of my mind out there who want Bex. You can't introduce me to Crook. Crook a thief that. Say his name is a Crooks. A thief that. You can't go vote for thief.
But I'm name that still. I know him not a crook, him just name crooks.
Name a serious thing, man. When me look a bit there, one where it come about the place. One where it come about the place. I can never forget that man. Name Reginald. And me look at them and me tell them, say, the man there is up to no good. That name there is not a good name. Certain name not belong in our politics. Reginald. A general man that, you know. Up to now. When I girl them, where in the recruit, I've picked the film, then I hear nothing more about him. Then take up all collection, donation for do sitting down at one basic school. And him say him want to keep the money up to now. Nobody now hear nothing about him. Reginald, a general that. And no man I can introduce me to Crook. Lion ain't nothing with no thief. And that me tell them. And Tip off left them out there. So I don't know who want vex. But certain name not belong in our politics. Certain name not belong in our politics. Because them last week when I tell me about one man I come about the place, name Roberts, Mr. Roberts. Then if he Robert, he never rob the whole of around here. All the while Lion talk to them, you know. Lion talk to them, but they not listen. They hard a hearing. You know, they hard a hearing. Then say Lion a lunatic, you know, that they ask me about the place, you know, but them are people in this community here. Then too fool. You know. Because man a come can tell me say name Roberts. A robber name that, a thief name that too. Roberts. Right? Them have one other one where him a hang about the place. Me don't know where I go on right now. Lion don't know where I go on right now, but every week somebody else show up. But they in a representative business. You know? Robert's son. You're Robert of his son. You're Robert. Lion not voting for them name there. Right? One other one comes say Robinson. Then if in Robinson, where am I going to do with me and you? Eh?
Pick him up, go pick a pocket there, bud.
If him rob Film's son, where am I going to do with we and him and a family?
But I just name still line, I can't vote.
Name a powerful thing, man. Me no want Lion now vote for them, the name there. Me remember one time one man did come out named Christian, you know. Right? He never really get no support. Because when they check out, then she say, him say Christian, that a fee name, but him belong to Adventist church. So his Sunday worshipper them never vote for him. And the rest of people then say they now vote for them. Right? Lion not a fool, man. Name a whole heap for doing it, man. Not tell me about just name, man. Lion about you long enough to see all of them, man. What do you tell them, you know? Don't keep no promise, you know. Deliver what no promise. And the people them think a Lion in a joke thing. You have to deliver what you promise, man. Right? Boy, upset me, man. You see me in my shirt, I come out my bed. I like a noodle me go buy, you know. I like a soup, me say me I go boil for we later, you know. Boy, I come upset me. Which party me belong to? Eh? Lion in them politics foolishness.
Well, look like you're in a politics because you're in the color them.
As I go up, I go and light a fire and dash them in. As I go home, I go and light
So
a
you go
fire.
burn
Now
up the
we
good
no
clothes
more
then?
of them here.
You go burn up the good clothes then for what?
Because people out there are label me and I say they can't identify me, which one me belong to. Eh? I don't belong to none of them but God, man. See, one of them out there, me say, me never see somebody so ignorant. Never see somebody so ignorant. One man buy him one bungalow color. The man dash the color in the road saying, no one that are too much green that it belong to green.
He's an idiot, that's
God Almighty, man. I don't know what's wrong with them. Lion don't know what's wrong with them. I want to go up. Go deal with my soup. When I see me over here, so gas done. So, me not have no coal. I saw little fire stick Lion want, man.
Alright,
Me no
Lion.
want them bother me about them politics.
All
One
right,
of them I
Lion.
say, oh, since you have so much talk, you don't represent the area. And I say, you know what? Cock mouth kill cock, you know. Cock mouth kill cock because if the true lion are criticized for their name, they might go look for me and say, but him a lion. So the front part of his name a lie. Because lion, you know, lie. So front part of my name a lie. So if me for represent them in a politics business, which me no want to hear it, you know. But if lion even think about it, you know, lion have to go change his name. Lion have to change his name, and if me not tell no lie, like lion have, I think me have to go name Trutan. If me have to go in them politics business, you know, for represent this year, you know, lion would have to name Trutan. You know, but me not even know which party mood that go in, man. Because all of them are the same thing. When one out, the next one have all of the answer for the problem. Them. As soon as in coming, the one where they didn't there, have the answer them. Same. So you give them a play with we, man. Give them a play with we about the place, yeah, man.
Alright, Lion.
Go look about my calico chicken soup Lion want to make today.
Alright, do your thing, man. May I go down the road?
Alright, man.
Boy, Lion, really.